So, Tyler, can you send me the updated Instagram email or whatever?
Yeah, absolutely. Ugh.
I got a friend that sneezed, and I've got a friend that sneezed. Well, it could be maybe the cold or the flu, or maybe it's just something he's allergic to. Just take some meds and get away from me, dude. Oh yeah, I've got a friend that sneezed. Oh, I had a friend that sneezed. Well, I had a friend that sneezed. We were friends, but now we're not, 'cause he gave me a cough and a case of the snots. Well, he's the reason that I got what I got. Oh, 'cause I had a friend that sneezed. Oh yeah, I had a friend that sneezed. Some other folks might be more forgiving than I am. Some might be nicer too, maybe, but none of them have ever been given the flu or feel like doo-doo. And as the days go by, my runny nose begins to dry. Now I can breathe in my destiny. I can have a friend that sneezed. It's okay to have a friend that sneezed. I guess I'll forget my friend who sneezed.